This video is of Rawene in the 2025 Perpetual Guardian Classic Yacht Regatta. Rawene is a Logan Brothers fast cruiser, built by the Logan Brothers and launched on the 24th of December 1908. She was built for Alf Gifford of St Mary's Bay, who is a well-to-do tailor and a skilled yachtsman. Because of the enormous rise in popularity of motor launches at the time, Rawene was the Logan Brothers' last major yacht commission before they closed their yard in 1911. She was built with 3 diagonal skins of kauri timber and has an overall length of 42 feet. Rawene had many racing successes over the years. Her performance was so good under her highly developed gaff rig that there was never the temptation to change to the modern Bermudan rig like most of her Logan and Bailey contemporaries. The Giffords always kept her impeccably maintained, and except for additional lead in the keel in 1911, never modified her in any way from the original. By 1980, Jack Gifford was too elderly to maintain and enjoy Rawene. He passed her over to the care of the Brooke family, who continued to care for her and race her hard. Rawene was purchased by the Tino Rawa Trust in November 2012. In 2020, Rawene underwent a strengthening of her mast step, additional floors and deck cockpit area. The spars were fully restored with new rigging and restoration of the blocks. Race 1 was on Friday afternoon in a 15 to 20 knot westerly. As I was filming from the Yacht Regatta, there were only a few shots from the beginning of the race. On Saturday the breeze was up, so no topsails set. Rawene got a good start, but was soon taking her place behind the big A-gaff yachts. She held on to stay ahead of Natira. In race 3, the breeze was still up, and after another good start she had a good tussle with Natira, who had the jump on her around the first mark. But on the long beat upwind, she passed Natira and took 4th. Race 4 on the Sunday was a lighter breeze, so full sail. The starts were pretty even, and it was a matter of finding the right shifts, which unfortunately didn't happen, so Natira finished ahead. Race 5, and with the wind a bit steadier, it was one of those perfect sailing days on the Waitemata, with the sea sparkling and the yachts pushing a nice bow eye. Rawene looked all grace as she finished the regatta, 116 years young and still looking great.